up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on the Tahoe again. We'll be changing out the tensioner. Right now mine's been squealing a bit, and tried to change it out once. Just the pulley, but the pulley the guy gave me at AutoZone was not right, so I figured I'd just go buy the whole entire part, replace the whole thing new. I'd crank it up for you guys. Let you guys hear it. So yeah, it's squeaking a little bit. And like I said, I tried to replace it once, but gave me the wrong pulley. So I just put the old one back on. I think that's why it's squeaking like that. Let me go ahead and go grab my tools. Pretty sure this is an 8. And remove the cover, and we got to remove the intake boot. This side off all the way, and that guy out of the way. All right, I'll go ahead and get my I'll grab my 15mm. I don't know what the hell that was. Loosen the tension. Try to get the belt underneath this. Go down one more. Alrighty. And take this all the way off now. Alrighty, the old one off. Save my hardware. You guys can hear that pretty good, but there's an old idler. Nice and quiet. So this guy's started. My bottom bolt. Alrighty, got my torque wrench, my extension. We're gonna set this to 37 foot-pounds. 10, 20, 37. Alrighty, it's all torqued. Release this spring. My torque wrench away. That's pretty much it. Throw this over here to the side now. Alrighty, let's try to get this belt back on. Make sure everything is nice and aligned on the belt. Looks good. Everything feels good. Put this stuff away. Start her up. See if that helped my squeaking. Gotta get you guys a better shot. This is pretty much what I replaced. 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's get all this stuff back together now. Cover back on. Now let's start her up and see how she sounds. Maybe much better. Alrighty. Still got a little bit of a squeak. Maybe this wasn't what it is. Apparently that's not what it was. This is great. New part didn't fix it. So I wonder what that squeal is. AC compressor, maybe? Maybe. Still doing. I don't know. Oh, guys, that didn't fix it. Thanks for tuning in today. Hopefully I can figure out where this squeak is coming from. Get that fixed. I got some parts coming on the way for the suspension. Hopefully get that knocked out. It's going to be a long road with this one. I can already tell. So, if you guys want to keep following, please subscribe, like, comment. I keep it short and simple on this one today. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.